This knife scratch damaged the car's paint, and as you can see, the vehicle also has many small scratches and dull paint. The customer paid us $200 to repair this damage, and we promised to make it look like new again. First, we wrap 1500 grit sandpaper around a plastic card and carefully sand inside the scratch. This smooths the edges of the damage and helps the paint fill the scratch more effectively. This step has a huge impact on the final result, so it must be done carefully if we want the scratch to disappear completely. Next, we sand the surrounding area with 2500 grit sandpaper. Then, we mix the paint according to the vehicle's color code with 30% hardener. We place a few drops on a piece of paper and wait until the paint becomes slightly gel-like. Now, using a plastic card, we carefully fill the scratch with paint. We repeat this process at least 2 times to make sure the scratch is completely filled. For deeper scratches, an additional filling step is required to achieve a flawless finish. Next, we gently remove the excess paint with a piece of cotton to make the leveling process easier. Then, we fully cure the paint using a heater. Once the paint is completely dry, we use 2500 grit sandpaper to remove the excess paint and level the surface, preparing it for polishing. To achieve the best possible finish, we polish the area using Coke Chemi H9 compound. And here is the final result. The scratch is completely gone, the gloss is restored, and the panel looks like it just left the factory. If you learned something new today, please leave a like. It really helps the channel.